Alright, our second card, we're going to use one of the wood grain cards from the kit. The blue stripy part from an envelope, which you're just going to cut that part off and then square it up to however wide you want it. I think I ended up with it just on about 1.5. So you'll need those two pieces from your kit. Now I will provide you with some baseball bats that you can cut out and use for this card, or you can use the baseball bats that are in the kit. I just didn't want to use them all up on this card. You will also get a piece of white, like so, and again, you'll open up a gray, and then just start muddying it up, like so. Be sure and just kind of go up and down, because if you, I'll show you, if you happen to skid across, you're going to skid your, it'll end up to be little skid marks on there. So I did some there. So you will also get this white piece, and then you will get a smaller white piece that I will pre-stamp for you, because I'll muddy this up a little bit too, because I am going to be using a stamp set out of my retired closet of baseball stuff. I'll show it to you. I'm going to use this stamp set a couple different times. It's called Home Run. So this one we're going to use the ball, and you're going to cut the ball out. So I'm going to give you 2 of them on your piece of paper. Why did my, look like my ink pad dried up? There we go. So you got 2 balls on there to cut out. And I used blue, so I will give you 2 different, I'll do them again in gray because mine are not blue. I'm going to go there, guys. So you will also need one of the hats on there. Let me put that down here so that I can restamp the balls on this one. We want to do them in gray, just for a little bit of, I don't like the blue. So I'll give you a couple of gray ones to cut out. Or punch, if you happen to have a punch. Like so. Then you're just going to layer those 2 pieces. I'm going to give you the circle. This is like a base that's in your kit. Maybe it's home plate, I guess. And then these you'll cut out and pop up on the front.